So hello everyone, I'm back again with another video. So for example, I'm working on this layout preparation, and there are many things that I have been talking with series of videos, and today I'm going to talk about the title, that how you can add the title in the map. For example, this is some kind of like study area map that I was preparing, but it is not s- perfect because there are like so many things that we can modify to make it more beautiful. For now I'm just talking about how you can add the text or any title. So for that you just have to go to insert. Once you are in the layout frame, go to insert, and over there you will find this text format. Okay, and there are lots of ways you can add text, or there are like symbols as well, whether if you want to use any symbols. For now I'm just going to talk about like either text or title. Normally this one is used as a straight text, which is usually used for like adding the title. So I'm just using this one, and once you select that, you can see there is like difference in text, sorry, arrow. Then you just browse like this. Okay, then you have this text size. Now write like, for example, study area. Okay, this is very bad, but I'm just trying to tell you how we can do it. So okay, it is the similar to other things. You can just drag this element, but you have to be careful like which you are selecting. Sometimes when the things are overlapped, and you may select over there, and you may just move the whole layout. So be careful with what you select. And okay, so once you are here, there is always option to modify this text. If you want to just modify the text, study area to something like C, S should be capital for now. Okay, study area of maybe of BC. Okay, whatever. I'm just writing like this. Okay, so see, the text is already modified, and you can change here. And another thing would be like, go to this, you will have options to change the size and position. And one more amazing thing that is very important over here, like for the title or any text, it is very important that which text format that you are using in the map will, so that your map will look really amazing. So being okay, I'm just applying the auto apply so that there will be changes. Okay, I'm just using this doesn't look good. Okay, so this is how you can change. If you want to change the size of the text, okay, I just decreases the size. If you want to change the color, you can just go and click here, like maybe, okay, blue. Okay, so this is how you can make changes. Okay, and there is like alignment or spacing. If you want to modify some of the things over here, you can always do that. Okay, yeah, I think that's all. And I hope you are understanding what I'm talking about. So if there is any confusion, please comment below in the comment section, and please do subscribe. I will be coming up with another video soon. Thank you so much for watching.